TORque fan. Oh, this the same video from the Vibe cover? Y'all still here? Y'all still watching? Oh my God. Listen, man. Today, I'm about to rob this car for its SI stocks. He gonna get the sunflowers. He needs some tires though, boy. I'm gonna have to get some tires on those. Boy needs some tires. Boy needs some tires. But yeah, we gonna get this straight to it. I look crazy. I just woke up. Hey, leave me alone. I'm trying to get y'all content. Let me put the car in gear so she don't move. Actually, I don't even need to do that. Still got these doodle browns. Yo, you know what I was thinking about? We could actually put these in your car. Your speakers are bad, bro.
Worse than those?
Your speakers are bad. I mean, we could try it out. All it is a clip. We ain't gotta do everything that dude did.
For the electrical part, right?
Yeah, we ain't gotta do none of that. Is this the right? Here we go. Y'all know I'm strong. You ain't really take nothing. I'm strong. Come on, bro. Yo, go on there, bro. What's wrong with you? Sound like my bird.
Lefty Lucy.
Yo, that's a whole different one.
That's what I said. You had three completely different ones.
Well, no. What's weird is this looks the same as these, bro. It looks the same, but it's a total different size. See, that's this one. That's weird, bro. Why y'all do that? Whoever owned this car. Y'all different breed. Oh man, I don't know which one it was. There we go. You feel me? Whoa, I'm in need. You feel me? Whoa. Y'all probably don't even want to watch this. Alright, I'll show y'all when we got half the car on. Aren't you missing a finger there, buddy? Oh, I got your nose. Yo, I'm so mad. But here's the front of the car with the SI stocks. Here's the front of his car with the sunflowers. Even on camera, it looked good. So y'all already know, but we gotta hurry up because he gotta get to work. So we got them on. The suspension needs to settle. But yeah, we got them on. Now all I'm gonna do is clean them up, clean up the car, and I'll show y'all what it looks like from there. Man, we got the car all cleaned up, all dazzled up. We got the SI stocks looking tight, shiny, miney, you heard? Type shiny, miney, okay. I don't even know what that word means, but we a different breed today. You feel me? Like, comment, and subscribe, fellas. Listen, man, I'm really trying to get this project on the road. Like, I'm trying to build this car up and prep it for whatever I'm about to do to it. Whatever I'm going to do to it is going to happen by the end of the summer. So I really need to get that done. But as of right now, I like just this little minor change right here. Little SI stocks, something simple. All she needs is tires all around and the suspension, and this car be looking like Big Torque's car. Okay, we still got some things to work on. I got rid of that doodle brown tint. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get some fresh tint. Probably 15% all around with a 50% on the windshield. Probably going to get the sunroof tinted too, because that thing is annoying. But yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. And we out of here. Thank you to everybody that helped me with this car. I said that helped me with this car. Shout out to my boy Rameal for the SI stocks. Shout out to Ron and shout out to Alan Speck for helping me with the valve cover gasket. Even though I found out something else was leaking, but I'll show that to y'all in the next video, and we out. We at Jenny Automotive. Clean. Boom. I was like, oh, bro. What was that? It's crazy. Starter from my boy Rameal. Oh yeah, now y'all get to see his car with the Acura wheels on. Sunflowers. Seal, man. Actual seal. Gotta replace this. This is beyond me. And it's black. Different breed.
Yeah, bro. Your shift link is bushing, that shit's gone.
I know.
Look, bro.
Why do you think it's like that? Let's not talk about that.
Oh shit.
The hole where his finger is, that's where the axle seal goes, right there. I think I hit something though, cause yeah. There it is. She in there.
Yeah.
She in there, you heard? Yeah, we back in business. Now I just need some new axles, so I'm probably gonna put it all in the same video. On both sides. That's behind me, Torque fam.
Damn. Yeah.
That's brazy. For real, for real.
This one actually all the way out. There you go. Ooh, come on, got hit. Look, dude.
What he did?
This axle's so broken.
That's crazy.
Like, that shit's beyond broken, bro.
That's crazy.
Look, it just fall apart.
Look at this, yo. This is wild. This is pretty wild.
I try to save this fucking broken axle.
This thing better stay together till Friday. Because if not, I'm gonna be real mad. No speeding for me.
That shit's stuck. Shit's stuck, bro.
That's wild. Oh, it's heads here. I see the amount of heads that are here though. This is crazy. This is some Need for Speed shit, you heard? Fast and Furious. Oh, who this? Same vlogs? Same vlogs. Vloggers. Yeah. What's good?